Hey my baby, so today I'll be making some creamy smothered lemon chicken. So let's get started. So we're gonna go ingredients really quickly. This chicken recipe can be served up with rice, pasta, whatever you prefer. But I'm keeping things on the healthier side. I'm gonna roast some squash and a salad. I'm gonna make a salad and roast this squash in the oven. I have lemon slices here. I have lemon pepper seasoning. I'm also gonna use this rotisserie chicken seasoning. I have flour, onion, thyme, chicken broth, and heavy cream. And of course, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So yeah. All right, as you can see here, I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I bought it like this and then I washed it up in some vinegar. And I tried to take some more of the fat off the sides, but y'all, it was just too much. So you're just gonna season this with your lemon pepper and your seasoning. You can pretty much season this however you want to, honestly, guys, because of the, savory, creamy, lemony sauce or gravy or whatever you want to call it. That's just, it's gonna be down inside of. It's pretty much not going to matter, but I like that, good kick. So put this to the side and allow it to marinate while we cut up the squash. All right, you guys, so you can season your squash however you want to. However, today I always like to introduce new things to my channel. So to my squash, I'm gonna season it with some coconut palm sugar, just a tad. You don't need too much. Over here, I have some coconut oil that I melted down. Comes solidified, so you need to melt it down quite a bit. Then all I'm gonna add is salt and pepper. You're gonna mix this up and add it to your oven, 375 degrees until nice and tender. All right, you guys, so now you're just gonna brown your chicken up. And I'm gonna brown it in batches. Alright, you guys, so my chicken is browned and I drained off the oil. Look at this butter. I'm using Kerrygold butter. And when you want to melt this down, and then you're going to add your onions and saute it down for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you're going to add your flour down in here and mix. You want to cook out your flour for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're gonna add your chicken broth. All right, as this is coming back up to a boil, you're gonna add some more of that rotisserie spice, pepper, and salt. You also wanna add your thyme down in here. And then we're gonna start adding the chicken back down in here. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna add my heavy cream down in here. Mix this up, and now we're just going to start adding the chicken. Look how creamy that is already. Don't worry, once we put all the chicken juices and everything's good to go, it's gonna be nice and beautiful. The lemons I'm gonna add right at the end because in my opinion, I feel like the lemon juice cuts the heavy cream and that'll break your sauce if you boil it for too long. So the lemon and re-seasoning will do right at the end. And don't forget to pour all them juices that leaked out of your seared chicken, pour it all down in here. You're gonna cover this and allow it to cook for about 45 minutes. Guys, look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. This is only like 10 minutes in. I wanted to mix it up a bit and baste it. You could put this with rice, mashed potatoes, whatever. It's gonna be good, child. Alright, y'all, so this is my cute little salad right here. It's so basic. Just spinach, tomato, cucumber, a little bit of cheese, and some croutons with my French, of course. And I'm also gonna make a drink. You can just buy this and just follow the directions on the package, and that's it. Excuse the noise in the back. I'm currently doing laundry. Now the last 5 minutes of cooking, you want to add your lemon slices down in here. You're gonna mix this up and let it simmer uncovered. Let it simmer uncovered for 5 more minutes and we're pretty much done. Look how creamy that is. It's not too thick. If you want it thicker, you just let it simmer longer. But I'm pretty sure in 5 minutes on medium-high heat, this is going to reduce quite a bit. And make sure you taste it for final seasoning, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. All right, you guys, so this is what the chicken looks like. Y'all, I can't even, I can't. So I'm just gonna plate up enough for 2 people. I made enough so it could be enough for tomorrow. This is gonna be perfect for leftovers. If you're cooking for your husband or your wife, you'll have enough for them to take to work or something. But y'all, this chicken, oh my God, it's so buttery, creamy. The lemon right at the end. Another tip, guys, as to why I put the lemon right at the end. I didn't want it to get too tart or bitter, because that's what happens when you boil citrus for too long. It tends to become bitter. So that's why I put it right at the end, the last 5 minutes. So when you're trying to reduce it, look at that. Yes, God. Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm also gonna make my drink and I'll wrap this up and let you guys see what it all looks like. All right, you guys, so here it is. It's not exactly all the way healthy, but it's better than what I usually cook with it. So this right here is my creamy lemon chicken. Simple salad, as I explained before, and this is the squash, super caramelized, soft, and delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I decided to make the drink a little later when babe is almost home, so it could be nice and frozen. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, you could check me out on Instagram if you want to see a picture of the drink. Bye, guys.